Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and UCY Amadiva, which is Lisa. Each week we bring you a theme. This week's theme is telephone. Next week's theme will be music. So if you'd like to join us on our collabs, make sure you use the hashtags and then we can come over and see what you have created. All right, so for my telephone, I'm using this odor stamp from Melissa J Designs, and this was, I think, from Paper Tray Ink, and it also came with a die. Also using this Cottage Cuts Nested Stitched Eyelet Square set. This is the paper stack that I'm using, and it's from Maker's Movement. CC Design Scallop Rectangles. And this is from CC Designs as well. I'm using that alphabet. And then I'm also using the Spellbinders Steamboat Willie Duo. I'm using her. And here goes my card. It's so colorful. I thought that paper was perfect. And I used the paper also to cut out her little outfit, but just too cute. I love how she turned out. There goes my phone. I did fussy cut it out, and then I used the die cut for the layers behind it. And I forgot to grab that other, there was another die set that I got for the telephone cord, but anyways, I don't have it to show you, but I did get that from another image. And I thought the CC Design alphabet dies were perfect. Gives you that little whimsical, playful feeling there. But the Minnie Mouse turned out so cute. Oh, she's adorable. And then I also added a little bitty diamond image or gem in her flower there. And I did ink up her cheeks a little bit too. But really cute. There goes the inside of the card. And then that's about it. Make sure you remember the theme for next week, which is music. If you'd like to join in on our collabs, make sure you use that. We also enter our collab into Jillian Norwood's hashtag Satmore Makes as well. So that's what I have for you. And thanks so much for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.